Are you on the hunt for the perfect camera to capture life's breathtaking moments? Look no further. Nikon, a trusted name in photography for decades, offers a diverse range of cameras to suit every photographer's needs, from beginners to seasoned professionals. In this video, we will take a look at some of the best Nikon cameras currently available, highlighting their standout features, performance, and unique capabilities. Whether you're interested in stunning landscapes, vibrant portraits, or fast-paced action shots, there's a Nikon camera designed to help you unleash your creativity. Join us as we dive into the world of Nikon and discover your ideal photographic companion. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website TopPicksNow.com. Like this video, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in. Number 5, Nikon D3500, our pick for best Nikon camera for beginners. If you're venturing into the world of photography, the Nikon D3500 is an outstanding choice for beginners. Designed with simplicity in mind, this camera offers intuitive controls and a user-friendly interface that makes learning the basics a breeze. One of its standout features is the unique guide shooting mode, which walks you through fundamental photography concepts in a straightforward manner, empowering you to develop your skills as you shoot. You'll appreciate the D3500's impressive battery life, allowing you to capture more moments without constantly worrying about charging. Its high-quality advanced photo system Type-C sensor delivers remarkable image clarity, ensuring your photos stand out beautifully. As you progress in your photography journey, you'll find that the camera is compatible with a range of lenses, including full-frame FX options, enabling you to expand your kit as your expertise grows. Though the D3500 is not equipped for 4K video or rapid burst shooting, it excels in providing everything a budding photographer needs to succeed. Keep in mind that this model has been discontinued. So if you decide it's the right fit for you, exploring the secondhand market is your best bet. With its solid performance and thoughtful design, the Nikon D3500 stands ready to support you as you embark on your photographic adventure. You'll find it to be a valuable companion on your path to capturing stunning images. Number 4, Nikon D7500, our pick for best Nikon camera for DSLR enthusiasts. If you're in the market for a DSLR tailored for sports and wildlife photography, consider the Nikon D7500. This camera strikes an impressive balance between high-end features and affordability, borrowing many elements from its more expensive counterpart, the D500. With its 20.9 megapixel DX format sensor, you can look forward to capturing sharp, vibrant images that reflect the excitement and motion of your subjects. The D7500's rapid 8 frames per second burst shooting capability ensures you won't miss a moment, while its ability to record in 4K allows you to immortalize stunning wildlife in action. Designed with a robust, weather-sealed body, this camera stands ready to tackle the elements, making it a trustworthy companion on any adventure. The 3.2-inch tilting screen provides you with greater flexibility to explore various shooting angles, adding to your creative options. While it features a reliable 51-point focusing system that may be less advanced than some higher-end models, it consistently delivers impressive image quality, ensuring that you can capture the essence of fast-moving subjects without compromise. With the D7500 now available at an attractive price, it represents one of the best values among DSLRs today. This is your opportunity to elevate your photography without overspending. Discover the potential of the D7500. It could be the perfect tool to enhance your photographic journey. Number 3, Nikon COOLPIX P950, our pick for best bridge Nikon camera. If you're seeking a versatile camera that merges simplicity with impressive capabilities, the Nikon COOLPIX P950 might be just what you need. With its remarkable 83x zoom range, equivalent to an impressive 24 to 2000 mm in full-frame terms, this bridge camera empowers you to capture everything from breathtaking landscapes to detailed wildlife shots, all from a distance. You'll appreciate the P950's robust build, weighing in at 2.2 pounds, which provides a steady grip while shooting. Its fixed single-lens reflex sized lens eliminates the complexities of interchangeable lenses, allowing you to focus more on composition and creativity. Whether you're an enthusiastic hobbyist or an aspiring photographer, the P950 serves as an approachable tool that helps you explore new photographic horizons without the steep learning curve of extreme telephoto lenses. With the P950, you can easily zoom in for those intimate close-up shots, bringing distant subjects into sharp focus and allowing your creativity to flourish. This camera is designed for those who want to elevate their photography, offering both ease of use and high-quality results. So, if you're passionate about capturing the world around you, the Nikon COOLPIX P950 is an excellent choice to accompany you on your photographic journey. Experience the thrill of photography with this powerful tool in hand and unlock a world of possibilities. Number 2, Nikon Z50, our pick for best entry-level Nikon camera. If you're seeking a more accessible option than a full-frame camera, an advanced photo system Type-C model can be your perfect companion, helping you save both money and space in your photography kit. While it might not be the smallest advanced photo system Type-C camera available, you'll appreciate its excellent handling and robust build quality that make it a joy to use. One of its standout features is its weather sealing, which offers added confidence when you're shooting in unpredictable outdoor conditions. Inside, the impressive 20-megapixel advanced photo system Type-C sensor excels in low-light situations, allowing you to capture stunning images even during twilight or in dimmer environments. You'll also benefit from a respectable maximum burst rate of 11 frames per second, ensuring you won't miss those fast-paced action shots. With a reliable autofocus system that keeps your subjects sharp and in focus, this camera supports your creative vision effortlessly. Additionally, the ability to record in 4K at up to 30 frames per second opens up new avenues for your storytelling, whether you're creating vlogs or capturing cinematic moments. This advanced photo system Type-C camera is not just an entry-level option. It's a well-rounded tool that empowers you to explore your photography skills without the overwhelming bulk of a full-frame model. It's designed to accompany you on your photographic journey, providing flexibility and quality to help you capture your world as you see it. Number 1, Nikon Z6 II, our pick for best Nikon camera overall. The Nikon Z6 II stands out as one of the most impressive cameras for photography enthusiasts. With its remarkable 14 FPS mechanical burst rate, you can capture fast-moving subjects with ease, allowing you to freeze moments in time. Its autofocus system ensures that your subjects are sharp and well-defined, enhancing your photography experience. Video capabilities are also strong, featuring 4K recording at up to 60 frames per second, which opens up creative possibilities, though it's worth noting that this comes with a significant crop. You'll appreciate the dual memory card slots, including a compact flash express card slot for high-speed storage, and the in-body image stabilization that drastically reduces camera shake, resulting in smoother footage and sharper images. While the Z6 II may not offer some of the more advanced video features such as internal 10-bit or log recording options, it compensates with its user-friendly design. The camera feels comfortable in your hands, making it easy to adjust settings on the fly. You'll find the intuitive user interface enhances your photographic journey, allowing you to concentrate on your creativity rather than technical limitations. Ultimately, the Nikon Z6 II combines performance with an enjoyable user experience, making it a fantastic choice for both photography and videography enthusiasts. Whether you're capturing still images or shooting videos, this camera is designed to empower you to express your artistic vision. That's a wrap! If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, be sure to give it a like and subscribe. And let us know in the comment which Nikon camera you're going to choose. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.